Okay. Just pick up yourself and don't worry yourself. 1, 2, there for yourself.
Yeah, so our condolences goes out to Pablo. Pablo brother will pass out.
Be strong, Pablo. Be strong. Firm on them, firm. Solid as a rock. Remember in our prayer.
Every time. Pablo.
In our prayer.
Alright, so we have the clean team.
One team.
So we have the clean team.
One team.
The clean team ladies them right here. So the clean team ladies them get them visa. So the whole of them get them visa. So if you don't get them visa, then we're gonna need US to spend, right? Can't fly up to Jamaica and that, you know. We're not gonna fly up to the US. What do you mean? Yeah, because Biden I gonna send no phone to go help Ukraine. You know?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
We have Rasta Messi, a roll up and roll bun, twist. So I'm a roll up and twist bun. And we have man like Talpi, as usual. And we have Joe, Mighty Joe Young, the prodigal returns. You know, in building an hibernation. Yeah, we have Natty, see me on the ground. And we have Quiet and Deadly Light Parks, you know, and we have the Rum Lord Painter, see there, Rum Lord Painter, and we have the motivational speaker in the building as well, Baja, the motivational speaker, the teacher, and we have, who else we have here? We have prefect here. We have the prefect, but the devil have to reject because the devil can accept good like this. You know. So then we have Psalms 100 or Psalms 41. Just arrived from school. And school uniform. And we have Esther in the building, aka Bumming Ball. And we have Jella, aka Jenna. And we have Boya, aka Wow Chef. Wow. And we have Hero, aka Understand. You understand? And we have Liquor, aka Mother Teresa. One team. And we have Stacy, aka Chips and Chips over there. And we have Baby. We still not get the name for Baby yet. A Baby name I have to get some. I'll stick to Baby.
Yeah, Baby.
I want to stick to Baby for now till I find that one day. I don't know how I find that one day. Yeah, so everybody have a name will match something. But so we have DB. We have DB. Or BB, we have DB. So Baja, like how Baja and the team. Baja, just like how you and the team at work same time. You know, me have some donation we will give out same time. Meanwhile, you not work. Yeah, so. Because Baja, I don't want to stop enough from my work, so I just give it out same time. while everyone's working. Right, Rum Lad?
Right.
Right, Rum Lad. Rum Lad. You get your name, man. Yeah, man. Rum Lad, Rum Lad. How much clean team ladies there here? Where's Smiley? Not, yeah. Natisha there here, right? Natisha there here, man. Wow, chef. Speed it up now. Yeah, move so like it all. Alright, so blessings to all. I got some donation I'm gonna give out to the team while they're working. So we give thanks for the support. You know, we give thanks to all donors that out there that reach out to the dream team and to the people them that's in need in Trenchtown and outside of Trenchtown. We thank all. You know, and this is another fraction of what we're doing, making up this house for Miss Dana and our Kingston.
Yeah, I can't write this song.
I only come out of the sun, me alright. Me staying in the sun, me need the sun. Alright. Alright then, so first, so I got some donation for the team. Teacher, like I the up high. I'm stretch here one first. So I got a donation from Donovan and Lorna and Nicole from Canada, who sent a donation for the team, which is it work out to $1,500 each. So this is from Donovan, Lorna and Nicole from Canada. So this is $1,500 from Donovan, Nicole and Lorna.
Donovan, Lorna, Nicole, blessed love and thanks for keeping us in your mind, the team and everybody. You know, can't thank you enough, you know. Blessed love, man.
Yeah, every time.
Big up all the donors, them. Don't say a word. Still there, you put in the work, although you know the little thing how it goes.
Yeah.
You have to hustle on the side, but we never give up.
Never give
Still
up.
continue the journey.
Same way.
Understand? Yeah, man. Don't say party. Love.
Love.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, boom right in front of me. Here's the boom. This is from Donovan, Lorna and Nicole from Canada.
Donovan, Lana, Nicole from Canada, blessed and one love, thanks.
That's it. Don't try and push the boat to it, you know. Make it stay
Light box.
right there and catch it. Yeah.
Quiet and deadly. Got $1,500 from Lorna, Nicole and Donovan
And Donovan, thanks, you know, and God bless you always.
from Canada.
Canada.
Yeah, Talpi, right here.
Right, MG.
So this is $1,500 for you from Donovan, Nicole and Lorna. Sorry, Donovan, Nicole and Lorna from Canada.
As my teacher said,
Parsley.
keep on being work, same way, you know.
Yeah.
All I'm doing, 1,000
Straight.
Yeah.
Alright.
Go,
Now
Kino.
walk around. Eh?
Kino, Rona. Just want to say, you know, a friend for a long time. I tell you, say a long time when I in Darcy, man, from the year start when I in Darcy.
Yeah.
You understand? Record there. Don't know, you know, we can't forget, you know, you.
Sure.
Real youth. I want them to make the journey possible. Still have in our mind.
Same
Thought,
man.
yes, sir. That's blessings, 22. And us keep safe, my brethren.
Same
Love
man.
and thanks. Respect.
Ricardo, big up
Yeah,
yourself
man.
every time.
Ricardo, big up enough, really, Ricardo, really, you know.
Yeah.
All I'm doing, them big up, top, you love you know. Beautiful.
Beautiful, straight. Alright. We have Painter, aka Rum Lord. Just give them everybody alias name. So it's $1,500 for you. From Lorna, Nicole and Donovan.
Lana, Nicole and Donovan, when the food boss never empty, you know. One place there and big up on myself, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, Ricardo.
Prefect.
Yeah, boy. I go.
Well, what you
Yeah,
want? The
go
one
to
that reach
Australia.
Yeah, pour that. I make it drop over.
Prefect. I'm go that direction now. Alright, perfect. It doesn't in the camera eye, the camera good. So I have $1,500 for you as well sir, from Nicole, Lorna and Donovan.
Nicole, Lana, and Donovan. Blessed love with them. Thanks, yeah. Longer for me, for the team, we appreciate. Enough love, and respect.
Yeah.
Go and do the good work, you know.
Yeah.
Bless them.
Yeah. Joe, Mighty Joe Young. take it from all directions. So you have Nicole, Lorna, and Donovan.
Nicole, Lorna, and Donovan.
Yeah.
Blessing and respect for your grace and your token. Love, respect, and abundance. Thank you very much.
Anna. Alright, let me circle the rest of the members them out on the side. Natish, come out on the side, Natish. Go out on the side here. Alright, no, here, stay right here, like we're here. So you can go there after. So this is from Nicole, Donovan, and Lorna from Canada.
Nicole, Donovan, and Lorna from Canada. Big up yourself, may food basket never empty. You good like keep and guide your family always. They are one big up all of the donors there. Dream team, one team.
Alright, searching, camera searching. Yes, sir. So we have the rest of them over here. We have 1B. Rema in the kitchen, cooking chicken, make it work.
Worship there.
Alright, so we have mix. So we have twice.
You know what, go. Love
So
to all down now. Blessings, you know.
So we have Donovan. Alright, so we have Donovan, Nicole, and Lana from Canada. $1,500. Donovan, Nicole, Lana.
Alana, give thanks. Forever. I love in the street, you know. Dream team not stop here, you know. Love straight all down.
Yeah,
blessings.
Blessing. And we have whoa. We have Boya, aka the Wow Chef. The Wow Chef. Twice, you know. So this are two money, you know. 1,500 and 1,000, that's twice, right? So let's make it up to $1,500 from Lana, Nicole, and Donovan.
Lorna, Nicole, and Donovan. Twice. Thank you very much, you know. Yeah, man, catch two number, the panic, two number, look more, you know.
Yeah.
And cash part 6 and 4.
Twice.
Let's put it 10, you know.
Twice. Z.
No, love enough, thanks, yeah. Blessed, you know.
Yeah.
Enough love, yeah.
And we have the Jenna.
Yes, man.
Jella, aka Jenna. Jella, I'm a prayer, so. Yeah, I'm a prayer, trimming in uniform. Yeah, man, surveillance so come back again, Sam. No way. Long time, you see him there remember not the boy when time surveillance come.
One boy look more and him say I'm woman.
Oh man, him there look for your body when surveillance come. Oh, your brother Sam, so you mean? Alright, so Jella. So this is from Lorna, Donovan, and Nicole.
Yeah,
and Donovan and Nicole.
Lana, thank you very much. Donovan and Lana.
And Nicole.
And keep it safe.
Yeah.
Dream team.
One team. Dream team.
And we have the only living hero, aka, you understand? Upgrade to overstand. So this is $1,500 from Donovan, Nicole, and Lorna from Lorna.
Lorna, give thanks, understand? Blessing, follow you.
Understand?
You understand?
And we have DB. We run DB. And also find out where go on with the name there. Alright, so we have $1,500 for you as well too, from Lorna, Donovan, and Nicole.
Lana, Donovan, and Nicole, thank you very much. Your food basket never empty. God bless all of the donors.
Alright then, alright. And we have Smiley. She's not ready for reveal Baby Dream yet. I hope Baby Dream get all of them Smiley from me, you know.
She loves smile.
She start early. So this is for you from Donovan, Nicole, and Lorna.
Donovan, Nicole, and Lana, thank you very much for your appreciation. We all love you.
Alright, then we have Esther, aka Bumming Band, and Nicole.
Thanks a lot. May the good Lord bless and keep all of you guys safe.
Alright, so we have Rasta Jax is not here, and Natural. Look at the move. Oh my days. And Young Tradesman, yeah. And Kedan. Mother Teresa, she moves, so I'm gonna move fast. Sorry, so that's from Lorna, Donovan, and Nicole.
And Nicole also, I missed your name a while ago.
Yeah.
Love you, my
Yeah. So we have it's a young tradesman, natural, Kedan. Always. One more person. Rasta Jackson. Rasta, got it. Yeah, man. Wagwan. Alright, so we give thanks to for Lorna, Nicole, and Donovan from Canada. So it come from all angles. Alright, so I got another donation for the team. Alright, so we have another donation for the team again. Same thing. Oh, so Bramala gave me 100 out of fee money already. Thanks. Bap. See ya. Bap. See ya. I mean bap. So we have alright, let's start from bombing ball. Zaire, what are you doing? Are you named Zaire? Yeah. Oh. Alright, so we have another donation for the team. $1,500 each from R&S from Wow Chef Yard.
Oh, my place.
Yes, I.
I will never go in.
Why? Alright, so like a Wow Chef place.
Yeah, man.
You know, we have to give him first, you know, because we have respect in place. We have $1,500 for you from R&S from New York.
New York, Jaja. Plan to come on New York, you know. So rich, man. Holy for thanks, yeah. Enough love, you know. Yeah, enough. Holy for mercy.
Yeah, so that's from R&S from New York.
Yeah, man, twice.
Alright, bombing bar. Esther, so this is R&S from New York, $1,500 each.
Thank you, R&S from New York. We do our best and keep it safe.
Alright then. And we have Laffy, we have Smiley, aka Laffy. Smile and laugh.
R&S from New York. Thanks very much. And I hope your food basket never empty.
Alright. And we have Mother Teresa, it's R&S from Wow Chef Place.
R&S from New York. Many thanks. We appreciate everything what you have done. Whether it's small or little, we appreciate it. Many blessings.
Alright, and we have DB. One DB. We have $1,500 from R&S from the Wow Chef home. So I want to respect it, please, not once but twice. You know.
R&S, big up yourself. Many blessings, may your food basket never empty. And may God continue to pour blessing upon you so you can pour it on us. Thank you very much.
And we have cheese. We have understand. So we have $1,500 for understand. The new upgrade name overstand. And this is from R&S.
R&S, you know, sir, nothing but love. You understand? Give thanks. One thing.
Yeah. And we have Jenna. We have Angela, aka Jenna.
R&S.
Yeah, R&S.
Thank you very much. Blessing. Bless you more and more every day we don't as them. I love this man.
Sure.
I love you man every day.
Yeah.
Love. And keep on safe. One team.
Sam, say hear that? Jada says she love the donors them now. Sam, Jada get her back. Don't worry, I catch her back. Sam, don't worry, Sam. Let's go on. Yeah, I catch her back, Sam. Let's wait. Alright, so we have Natish. This is from R&S from New York.
Pick up yourself in the R&S from New York. Your food basket never empty. May good Lord keep and guide you always your family and protection. One love.
Yeah.
Dream team.
One team. Alright. 1B. Straight up.
Love, you know.
R&S from New York.
R&S, you know, I love you straight. Wow Chef Place twice. Don't know, you know, I love you straight, GMT. Big up to all the dogs. RNS blessings. Look.
Blessing. With the up top. Prefect.
Look.
1500 from R&S from New York.
R&S.
SR. Yeah.
R&S. Big up yourself, you know. Appreciate it. Thanks.
Yeah.
For me, but for the team. Love.
Yes. And we have the builder, the motivational speaker. Aja. R&S.
RNS, blessed love and thanks. What's in your thought all the while? For the team members.
Yeah.
And Trenchtown. Blessing.
From Old Chef Place.
Yeah, Old Chef, New York, twice.
And we have Tall P here. One Tall P. I'm going to go that direction here. So we can see the prayer. So we have 1500 for your Tall P. From R&S.
RNS, what you call it? Family just one thing. One team.
Alright, we'll go around the corner here. And we have boom.
Give me some plug.
We have Rasta Messi, you see?
R&S. See me there on the work door. One love, blessed and thanks.
From New York.
Take care of yourself from New York. R&S.
So we light parks there. Around here. Cool, quiet and deadly. Around here. We are travel the globe. So this is R&S.
RNS, give thanks and blessing, you know. No, you see the good work we are doing, so God bless you and your family.
Yeah. Oh, Mighty Joe Young is coming. He's coming down. He's coming down. Come through. Mighty Joe Young from R&S from New York.
R&S from New York.
S, R&S.
R&S
Yeah.
from New York City. Twice.
This way.
Yeah.
Every time. We have Naturalists here. Have no here. One love. So natural. We have 1500 for you from R&S from New York. From the Old Chef Place.
Yeah, man.
Twice.
Yeah, man.
R&S.
R&S.
Yeah.
Big up, you know.
Every time.
Every time, we do our respect.
Give
thanks for talking, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
R&S. Every time. Alright, so we keep moving.
Yeah.
Alright. Young chairs, man. Forward there, so. So we have
Love to see progress.
15 bills.
Yeah, man. Love to see
from R&S.
Yeah, man.
From R&S from New York. Yeah.
Progress, you know.
Yeah, food basket never empty.
So we have alright, so Rasta Jax is not here and Kedan. And Rasta Jax and Kedan. Oh, one more person. Peter no say it. R&S. Now me I tell him, man, rum lord, man. Treat me like him something, man. I know somebody missing, man. More to say rum lord. Who else missing? Okay. I know say somebody missing, you know. Sure. Alright. Yeah. Well, I'm in alright. So we have the rum lord here. So this is 1500 from R&S.
RNS, big up yourself and I'm here, food basket, never empty, you know.
Yeah.
RNS, big up.
Yeah, every time. So alright, so Rasta Jax is not here and Kidan is not here. And that's all the donation from R&S. Look, give me that one, give me one more time.
I come off for things that we know.
Natural. I got another donation for you. Can you just miss that one here? 1,500 as well to from Donovan, Lorna, and Nicole from Canada.
Donovan, Lorna from Nicole from Canada.
Yeah.
Blessings all the way now.
Yeah.
Pick up the GT fund, them school, the donors, everybody. Now respect for all natural.
Alright, all natural. Donation as well to us from Donovan, Nicole, and Lorna from Canada. 1,500 each for the team. So that's your 1,500 from Donovan, Lorna, and Nicole from Canada.
Donovan, from Canada. Love, may food basket never empty. I continue to do the good work. Dream team there, hook up the good work. Big up yourself, big up yourself.
Alright, so my team, clean team ladies. So that's the donation from R&S from Rochelle, please. So give them a round of applause, please. Yeah. Twice, you know? Not once, but twice, you know? Alright. So, how is Sam's gone now? Alright, so we have the clean team.
One team.
So we have the clean team.
One team.
We have the clean team ladies them right here. So the clean team ladies them get them visa. So the whole of them get them visa. So you know them get them visa, they're gonna need US to spend, right?
Yeah.
Can't fly up to Jamaica and that, you know. US. We're not gonna fly up to the US. What do you mean? Yeah, cause Biden gonna send no phone to go help Ukraine. Ukraine. Yeah. This email can come, Sam. Alright, so. Russia. Alright, so we have some US for the clean team ladies from Sevilla, one fraction of the overcomers. Come in, Sam. Alright, Sam's not come. Sam's not get US, Sam's not fly out. Sam's not get dollar. Yeah, so we give thanks for Sevilla, one fraction. And we also give thanks to Auntie as well too. There's another fraction to Auntie, who's another fraction of the nothing but love.
I don't know already.
Understand?
You understand?
Overstand this year.
Auntie, remember what you said to me? Love you.
Love you.
Yeah.
Some live here. A lot of people will come try to do when they don't at all. That's why I come do more. Auntie, love you, big up yourself.
Sure.
Yeah.
Smiley. Alright, and so we have like on having a visa, everybody gets stamped. Everybody gets stamped already, so we have $20 each. Oh, so, let's come to Sevilla house, but hold on the ear. So we have $20 each from Sevilla for the clean team ladies. So we have Jella 20, because she got her stamp already, 10-year visa. $20 fly out.
So Olivia, bye. Thank you very much. I'm leaving out now.
Yeah.
Bye.
Flying.
Team. One team.
Alright, Jella fly again. Alright, so we have baby. Yeah. Oh, chefs are straight over here.
Yeah, man, you okay, man.
Yeah. Well, alright, so baby have a visa, so baby are ready. I go fly out, I know, ready to fly out.
Thank you, Olivia. Don't know what I'm living on the next plane now.
Oh, that's Sam. And we have Mother Teresa, 20 US as well too.
Thank you very much. We're kissing, no kill small, it is we're happy for same, we're happy for you, same way, one day, same.
And we have Smiley AKL, Smile Some More.
So Olivia, thank you very much. And may your food basket never empty, may it never run dry.
And we have Bumming Ball, Esther, Bum Bum.
Thank you very much. My passport number here.
Ready, leaving on the what? And we have Natisha, ready for fly out now. See it up on the resort. You can't spend it on the resort, you know, Natisha. Straight at the gift shop, US.
Coconut water.
Run off.
Yeah, run off. She come back.
Olivia, thanks very much. The food basket never empty. Make God always guide and take care of your family. Blessings always. Dream team,
wanted. Alright, so the plane fly go there. So Euro.
Yeah.
Check Euro for some US again. Euro. Give me some Euro.
US?
Euro, give me another 20, you know.
Number 20.
About another 20 from me. So me another 20 here. And 20 from Auntie. For Natisha. So Natisha is for you from Auntie. So this is for you. $20 from Auntie. From Overcomers. For up on the resort when you go fly out, you know. Hey, see there. Choo-choo.
When you come back.
The third.
Auntie, big up yourself. Many love. Your food basket never empty. May Lord guide and protect you always.
Yeah.
Dream team, one team. Big up all of the donors them. Oliver and Carla, big up yourself. Ricardo, Pablo, you say a word. The church, big up yourself. Love the station, you say a word.
Whoa.
Big up.
Alright.
I want to send a condolence to Pablo. Like the year, your sadness, just big up yourself and don't worry yourself. One thing there for yourself.
Yeah, so our condolences goes out to Pablo. Pablo brother will pass out.
Be strong, Pablo. Be strong.
Calm, Pandem, calm.
Solid as a rock. Remember in our prayer.
Every time. Pablo.
In our prayer.
Alright then, so give thanks. And we have Psalms 100.
Yeah.
Psalms. Eh? What you say? Oh, Jella Yachan. Oh, you don't want our money? Give me the Jella. Oh, you don't want it now?
You don't want it from Jella.
Alright, so Bibi, your daughter-in-law sent $5,000 for Psalms. Oh, this is from Sevilla. $5,000 for you from Sevilla for Psalms. I share my blush. You don't say nothing, you can't say nothing.
God keep you safe.
Jella, show him what to do, Jella, because you have to go figure out him.
I tell you about him.
Yeah.
Me a big yo.
Yeah.
Bless you, keep you safe. Him no go.
Alright, so come then now.
Bye. Heart I love man.
Alright, go back to Jella. Jella, come again, Jella. Alright, come on, Sam. Sam, show love now.
Let's try now.
Are you making my guans to go and run now?
Me?
Kiss your blood.
Let's talk about water you drink.
Mountain in there.
This again now?
Alright then, so we give thanks for the donation from Overcomers. Yes. For the clean team ladies, so Auntie, God bless you and thank you so much. And Sovelia, thank you for the donation for the clean team ladies. You know, Sovelia, thank you so much for passing through and helping out with the people them downtown. Natish, so Auntie, God bless you Auntie for Natisha US. You know she gone up on the resort
say something, Kino.
Go on then now.
All when time Sam's him just a blush so and him afraid Jelly can't get him back at Sullivan say, leave the little boy now. Yeah? Push me away. Let me go there. She said,
from early out me I try and family leave it out alone.
Yeah.
But it not go work.
Nah, go work.
Then you said deadbeat dad. Just tell me about him every day as he come to pass. And then it's a deadbeat dad.
Alright, so we have another individual donation. Let me see now. Perfect. Perfect. Come here, come here, window here, prefect. If a donation, more come to them.
Yeah, did actually square.
Work side, busy. Alright. Perfect. We got a donation for you again from this is from the Mitchell family. Alright, go down a bit more, Yeah, so we have a donation from the Mitchell family from New York. $3,000 for you from the Mitchell family.
Mitchell family. What you love and appreciate many times.
Yeah.
The good Lord bless you. King is here. All donors.
Take Mother Teresa. Take her. Come here.
Anything to cut off that.
Come, Mother Teresa. I have another donation for you. This is from the Mitchell family from New York. $3,000 from the Mitchell family from New York.
Mitchell family, thank you very much. Love you always. Father God,
Boom. Rasta Messi. Come to Rasta Messi. Yeah, me have a donation for you as well too. From the Mitchell family from New York. $2,000 for you from the Mitchell family.
Mitchell family, rest and thanks and one love. Guidance, yeah, Mitchell family.
The Mitchell. Yeah.
Thanks and one love.
Yeah. The Mitchell family. Alright, so we give thanks. And we have Mr. Who else we have here on the list?
No. Same place I put on shit. No.
Tapi. Tapi. Alright, stay with them. I know when you come over there.
Stay there, man.
Stay
there, man. Brother, too active with the man.
Alright, so Tapi, my donation for you from this is from Julia from the UK.
Same place I put on the mark, man. Natural. And two side of the mark, you know.
$2,000 from Julia from the UK. Tapi.
From the UK.
Every time. Yeah. And we have another donation for you to pay. And this is from Mary D towards your mansion where you put up around there. Towards your mansion. It's from Mary D from the US. $7,000. But I'll pay from Mary D from the US.
Take care of yourself and be safe, I hear that.
Yeah.
Bless and bless with this again, by hold the black with this and cement.
Yeah, count it. Hold it black and cement.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mary D. Yeah. Every time. I have another donation as well for you from the Mitchell family from New York. Yeah, from New York. And that is $10,000 towards your material as well towards your mansion, you know, from the Mitchell family from New York. $10,000.
Mitchell family from New York. All for love, you know. All for respect, you know. See them show love. All for love, yeah?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah, man,
100 more black, one for love.
He said 100 more black. What do you mean?
Yeah?
Straight.
One love, one team.
Dream team. Alright, so we give thanks. And that's all the donation what we receive from the donors. Yeah. And we could give them a round of applause from everyone in their place. Pasha, give them a round of applause. So the camera will swing. Everywhere. Perfect. Everywhere. Anyway, Rumlord is in there. Round there. Alright, dream team?
One team.
Oh man, dream team?
One team.
Oh. The dream team?
One team.
Dream team? The dream team? Dream team? Alright, chips boy now, say no.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.